Here's an example of how you can load them. You can see my team are actually using the bracket holder. You can use the Matthew pliers. I actually like that better because you can clip the top pad of the bracket and place it in. They do this a lot, so they're using the actual bracket holders. So you can see here, Kelly in here, she grabbed the gingival area. Let's go back. So this is a 7. I skipped the 6 because there was a button in here, and this is a motion transition to IDB. So I sometimes when I scan the patient and the button is there, I don't put it in because when we remove the button digitally and create everything, it doesn't give me a perfect surface. So I skipped the 6 in here. But if you can see in here what she does, she grabbed the gingival side of the pad and kind of like slide it in 45 degree, push it down, and then push it to the body, to the buccal side of the tray. So just look at this one more time. This is very important, right? So it goes in and then you kind of clock it into that cavity that you have. And then push it inside, push it down. That's for 7s. And then you can see for the 5s, the same idea, 45 degree, you push it down a little bit and push it in. You don't need to put a lot of forces. I just want to be very clear. Very slight force is enough to try to get this in. A little push in and a little bit push down. The key is that if you don't print these correctly, if you're not washing them correctly, if they're not cured correctly, none of these would work, right? So that's very, very important.